Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to add bullet points to your LinkedIn profile. So before you do anything, make sure to check the description box to select your favorite bullet point so you can add it to your profile. So in my case, I'm going to show you, right? You're going to see this bullet points instruction in the description box of that of the video, and you can copy whatever bullet points that you prefer. In my case, I'm gonna select, let's say for example, that one, right? And I'm gonna copy, right? And after I copy it, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and to my profile by clicking me and then click view profile, right? And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click add profile section, and I'm gonna scroll a little bit down and click add about. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna paste the link that I just copied, right, if you're using Windows, and then just write that. Okay, that's it. All right, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.